Prime Minister chairs a high-level COVID meeting where the PM cautions against complacency, advises strict COVID vigil. PM Modi says COVID is not over yet. Therefore, the idea is to now increase surveillance at airports. The states are being advised to audit COVID facilities. Also, check readiness of hospitals. Some important pointers there coming from the Prime Minister to the states in particular, also to the people at large, saying maintain vigil. There is a word of caution sounded by the Prime Minister himself that there should be no complacency at this point. COVID is not over yet. What is required now is to check our ground preparedness. Rishabh joining us with more inputs. Rishabh, at this point of time, हम जानना चाहेंगे कि Prime Minister ने जो ये मीटिंग आज कंडक्ट किया, इस मीटिंग से क्या जानकारी है हमारे पास? इस वक्त किस तरह का पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट किया जा रहा है स्थिति को देखते हुए? काफी केसेस डिटेक्ट हो चुके हैं, नए वेरिएंट के भी. Over to you, Rishabh.
So what we know right now is that a comprehensive presentation was made regarding the global COVID-19 situation by the Secretary of Health and Secretary of Health Ministry and members of Niti Aayog to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister was also briefed that India has been witnessing a steady decline in cases, with average daily case falling as low as 153 and weekly positivity down to 0.14% in a week ending 22nd of December. So this is something that was presented to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has also discussed with the ministers and other secretary and members of Niti Aayog that what are the preparedness that we need and how far have we come. Remember, we have seen 3 waves, the second wave being the most deadly wave in India, where we lost maximum number of lives. So the government of India now on its front foot, ensuring that they do not want any situation like May 2021 when the second wave had come in. Remember, the Omicron variant has been quite mild, and given the herd immunity that India has attained against the COVID, the authorities in India are quite confident that we will be able to pass this without much damage. That's what Prime Minister has been made aware of. But what the preparedness is and how much ready India is to tackle if there is another wave of COVID is what was presented to the Prime Minister.
Yes, thanks Rishabh for joining us with the important updates from that meeting.